Yay! We've got one of them crawling, one of them swinging.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
It's quite funny because on a lot of your YouTube videos you can see Sarah's legs a lot. Just like now.
Yeah.
Whee! Hello?
Yeah, so I've got pictures
girl.
where you can see my feet in the pictures.
Yeah.
Off you go.
Whee!
Where's Lucy going, Matthew? Where's she going? She's going back down the tunnel. Are you going to go down the tunnel? Oops.
Whoop. You know you're clever, don't you?
You like your balloons, don't you, mister? That's it, you hold on to it.
I just hope one doesn't bang and then they're scared of them.
Well, no, we've had them for a few weeks and they haven't done yet. But we purposely didn't blow them up to their full potential, so... I bet you two girls were just like this when you were little, fighting with the toys.
Oh yeah.
Can't remember.
I can.
Quick, Matthew, keep hold of it.
A bit hard to hold on to a balloon though, isn't it?
Carla was like Lucy and Sophie was like Matthew.
Oh, where's it gone? Quick, Matthew, quick, get it, quick, quick. Maybe I think you two are showing off. Yeah.
Both staring in the camera.
Just as Lucy's heading straight towards you.